Unbeknownst is an adjective or adverb that means without the knowledge of or unknown to. It describes something that happens without someone being aware of it. The word has a slightly old-fashioned or literary tone, often evoking a sense of mystery or unintended secrecy. The origins of unbeknownst. Unbeknownst traces its roots to the word beknown, an archaic term meaning known. It emerged in English during the 17th century as unbeknown, with the st suffix added later, as a dialectal variation. Despite its old-fashioned feel, the word remains in modern usage for stylistic or poetic purposes. How to use unbeknownst. Unbeknownst is typically used as a conjunction or adverb to describe situations or actions happening without someone's awareness. Example sentences. Unbeknownst to her, the surprise party was already in full swing. The decision was made unbeknownst to the board members. Unbeknownst to him, his actions had sparked a series of unexpected events. Very similar words. Unknown, not known or familiar. Unaware, not conscious of something, hidden, not visible or apparent. Oblivious, lacking awareness of something. Nuances of unbeknownst. Tone. It has a somewhat archaic or formal tone, adding a touch of intrigue or elegance to narratives. Common usage. Frequently used in storytelling, emphasizing actions or events that occur without someone's knowledge. Emotional weight. The term can evoke surprise, irony, or unintended consequences. Cultural and literary usage. Unbeknownst is often used in literature and storytelling to create suspense or dramatic irony, where the audience is aware of something, the characters are not. For example, in classic novels, it might describe secret plans or hidden identities that drive the plot forward. But in summary, unbeknownst adds a sense of mystery and unawareness to language, making it a useful word for describing concealed actions or unforeseen events. Its slightly old-fashioned charm lends itself well to both creative and formal writing. Subscribe